Hi everyone, welcome to Shell's Sugar Rush. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this adorable LOL cake that I made for a birthday girl. And I actually put a sweet little surprise birthday gift on top as well. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me put it together. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more cakes in the future. So for this cake, I've actually baked 4 layers of vanilla cake, and these are 8-inch layers, and I have made some American buttercream, which I have colored in a soft pink color for the base color on the cake. So here I'm just stacking the layers and filling in between with the buttercream, and then I'm going to give it a nice crumb coat. I always like to start with the top when I do my crumb coat, and just fill in on the sides, and then we'll just smooth this cake down really good and clean it up and pop it into the fridge so that it can chill for a bit while I get the other decorations ready to go. Now my cake is chilled, so here I'm just going to give it that final coat with that pink icing. And again, I'm starting at the top and just giving it a nice generous layer on top and filling in around the sides again with a generous layer. And I'll just smooth that with my bench scraper and then go back in and just fill in any areas where I feel like it needs a little bit more of the icing. And then I will of course smooth this cake down as smooth as I can get it, and then I'll clean up those edges on the top. And I'm going to go ahead and go right into the other decor for the cake. And I have taken some of that buttercream and colored it in a beautiful teal color. You can see here I'm doing a small swirl along the bottom, and then I'm going to go through and do a larger swirl along the top. I actually love this look. And now I'm going to go ahead and start placing the LOL dolls on the cake that I have printed on icing sheets. So these are edible, and I think I printed about 5 of those to put around the cake. And then I did order an LOL cake and cupcake birthday set from Amazon, and this is where I got my topper from. It's kind of a pretty sturdy cardboard, so I'm just pushing that into the top along with a couple of the other pieces that came with that. And I also put one of the little mini LOL balls on top as a special little extra birthday gift for the birthday girl. And now I'm taking that pink and teal icing and just piping some stars just randomly on the cake and putting some little edible pearls on there as well. And here I have went ahead and printed another piece, and this is the LOL logo that I have printed on edible icing sheet that I decided to put on the front of the cake. So now my LOL birthday cake is complete. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and let me know what you think about these colors. I absolutely love these colors together. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more cakes in the future. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you next time.